also from your perspective, working with, C-suites across, large healthcare systems, plus other, healthcare vendor organizations.
Yeah.
How are you engaging them in these topics? Like how are you finding that going?
Yeah, I'll start with this. I mean, I think the biggest challenge that most of our clients are facing is around balance because Bill's spot on, right? I mean, I haven't talked to a board or a C-suite that doesn't want to know more about generative AI. The challenge is, at least on the provider side of the equation, I mean, they're operating with low single digit margins, right? And so they know they've got all the data in the world. They know they have to move into this AI enabled future. They know they need to solve for three customers: this patient member, their providers, as well as their workforce. What started as art of the possible type conversations, but grounded in some level of pragmatism, always has to have this eye towards ROI, right? And so we're really coaching them to create these self-sustaining models that can allow for future investment in longer term innovation. Don't try and hit the home run from the start. Base hits tend to add up. And I think that's, some of the coaching that we're trying to provide them. Don't get me wrong. I think at the same time, the balance comes into not stifling innovation, right? I mean, if you take an adage from Amazon, you need the 1,000 points of light, you need the 1,000 flowers blooming, so that way you can create the mechanism to identify those things that are going to add value to your organization or add value to an experience in the three members that I talked about. But I think, it's that balancing act is a challenge for a lot right now. And, shepherding through that is kind of where we see our role evolving right now.